breakthrough. Rather refreshing to hear about a see-through. Who says the youth of Britain are decadent and unpatriotic? Meet 5 youngsters who are giving up their time, their sleep, and hazarding their health to gain a world record for Britain. The Cardinals are trying to better an American group who set a world beat record of 102 hours, 7 minutes earlier this year. They started on Sunday. Here it is Thursday, and already they're 2 hours ahead of the world record time. And that's it. 104 hours, 23 minutes, a new world record. Quite something for a group who never recorded one, and quite something for their supporters, too.